Ready to build a secure and efficient payment processing app that handles even non-verified Ach transfers? First, you'll need a Plaid developer account, so head over to Plaid.com to create one and get your API keys. You'll need those to connect your application to Plaid services. Next, design your application's user flow and consider how the user enters their bank information, how Plaid will link to their bank, and how you'll handle both verified and unverified accounts. Then, integrate the Plaid API, focusing on the link token creation, the exchange token process, and the ACH authorization. Be sure to use the Plaid dashboard to test these connections in sandbox mode. It's crucial to implement handling for unverified accounts. You could use micro-deposits or manual verification, but remember to clearly communicate the increased risk to your users. Finally, implement robust risk management and fraud prevention strategies, including monitoring transaction patterns and setting transfer limits. Don't forget to comply with all relevant regulations, like NACHA operating rules, for a safe and compliant app.